Knowing how to manage your newsfeed is an important part of using the Facebook app. On your newsfeed, you'll see a small drop-down arrow next to every post. This drop-down arrow gives you several options. You can hide that particular post, report the post, or unfollow the person that posted it. If there's a friend you don't want to see on your newsfeed anymore, you can do one of two things. You can unfollow or you can unfriend that person. To unfollow or unfriend someone, first tap their name. When you unfollow a person, they're still your Facebook friend, but their posts will no longer appear on your newsfeed. To unfollow, tap the button that says Friends and select Unfollow. If you unfriend that person, they will no longer be your Facebook friend. Just tap the button that says Friends and select Unfriend.